We got this Range Rover in this morning for a rodent abatement under the hood project. As you can see, it has a lot of poop. We're gonna clean it up. Ooh, boy, this thing's been chewing. Yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. This is the Range Rover engine after. Back nice and clean.
Happened to be scrolling to the website, ran across XLNC advertisement, brought them in, brought the vehicle in, and they did an excellent, great job. Due to the rodent infested on the engine, definitely recommend it to anybody that's having an issue with the engine cleaning and in and out exterior detail as well. Thank you.
XLNC Auto Beauty.